Hey everybody, this is David Branderhorst, and in this video we're going to be talking about why sales funnels are not magical unicorns. Now, I've seen it time and time again. People get really excited. They think that if they can just get a sales funnel up, if they can get something online, they can get the pages built, and I'll put it out there, that suddenly all of these sales are going to start coming in and everything's going to change in their life and it's just going to be amazing. All they need to do is fill in the blanks on the template, put it out there on social media, and everything's going to change. So they do it. They put all their content in, they share it on social media, and ultimately what happens is they get very little action. They get very few sales, they get very few signups, and they're all kind of left wondering why. What happened? Why didn't this work? Is this sales funnel thing, is it all really just kind of a racket? Is this all kind of baloney and nothing is going to, actually work? Are these people really making money doing this? Because, I signed up for ClickFunnels or I signed up for whatever other service, and that was supposed to be everything I needed to do to succeed, right? Well, that's one piece of the puzzle, and I do really love ClickFunnels. Don't get me wrong. We use it all the time. I very much like the service. It's become very important to me and in our business, but just having a sales funnel in and of itself is not the answer. It's not enough to generate a successful business. So one of the things you have to understand is the copy that you have on your funnels is probably just as, if not more important than the funnel itself. Now, if people are coming to your sales funnel and they're going through it and that message isn't connecting with them, it isn't resonating with them, they're going to leave and they're going to bounce. And I can assure you, I've seen some pretty poorly constructed funnels over the years. I've seen some funnels where you're looking at them just going, why would anybody buy this? The messaging is so poor. Now, and as well, the second piece to it is, how is your offer? How have you structured your offer in such a way so that you would have people who would look at it and go, oh my goodness, I have to have this thing. This is amazing. This is exactly what I've been looking for. This is the exact thing that I've been trying to figure out. They're going to help me solve the problem that I have in my life. I have to get this. And the pricing is very reasonable. Let's go. Let's do it because this is perfect for me. So when too many people put up their funnel, they're just following a template. They're just slapping some copy in. They're sounding like everyone else. They're not making their story resonate. They're not doing certain things that really are going to connect with their audience. And as a result, their message is falling flat. So no matter how nice your pages look, if your message and your offer don't really excite your audience, you're still not going to get sales. Now, that's the downside. The good side of things is, this is a skill that can easily be learned. If you are teachable and you're coachable and you're willing to put in a little time learning these skills, this can 100% be learned. All of this is completely in your reach. In fact, one of the things I like to say is writing good sales copy and learning how to build sales funnels isn't the NBA. What do I mean by that? Well, simply put, if you're not 6 foot plus, can dribble a basketball extremely well, and can shoot the basketball from long range, and can dunk and can jump really high, you're probably not ever going to make the NBA. You just don't have the physical skills. Now, the reality is, in this kind of world, you don't need to worry about any of that. All of these skills can be learned. Again, if you're willing to put in some time and you're willing to be taught and you're willing to be learned and you're willing to follow some ideas and some structures and some templates, you can 100% learn how to write really good copy and how to make really good offers. Both of those things are really critical for you being successful. So the question becomes, will sales funnels work for you? 100%. They can absolutely work for you if you have great copy and if you have a great offer. All of those things need to be in place so that when you send people to your funnel, they're engaging and they're excited and they go through it and then they see your offer and like, oh man, I got to have that. That's amazing. So here's what I want to say. If you are interested in learning these skills, if you want to get better at this, if you really are committed to being able to build this business of yours, to take this idea that you have and turn it into a real business, then I want you to go to designlaunchgrow.com and I want you to check out what we have there for a coaching program. Now, this coaching program is unlike anything else that I've seen out there. We do this in such a way that we keep it incredibly affordable to you and easily accessible for you. And as a result, you can get started for just $19. You can get started on this journey and you can learn all these skills. You can do all these things, and imagine in just a few short weeks' time, you could be writing really good copy. You could be making really strong offers and to change the direction of your business and make things really amazing for you and turn the tide with where it is that you're going. And I will even be there to help you. I will even work directly with you and help you go through this journey and help you get everything figured out that you need. So if that's something that interests you and you would like to learn how to take that step and move forward with your business, go to designlaunchgrow.com. Check out how everything that's included in the program. And I hope I'll be able to get started working with you soon and we can get that business off the ground, successful, and reaching those customers and generating that income for you. I hope you all have a great day, and I will look forward to talking to you very soon.